How to change EBT card on Instacart. If you wish to change your EBT card on Instacart, basically all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instacart app, and this is the type of interface you will see. Then you have to just tap on your profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from here you can simply go to the option called settings. Now when you come to settings, under payment methods you can see an option called EBT Snap. So not the debit or credit or PayPal one, but the one that says EBT Snap, as you can read here. So when you tap on it, you just have to go ahead and tap on it once. You'll be asked to go ahead and then tap on the add EBT Snap card. When you've done that, you could go ahead and then now enter your payment method like your EBT Snap card by tapping the add button and following the on-screen instructions by entering your first name, last name, the card number, and re-entering the card number. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.